Hi Tenthis, welcome to your Social Science Guide channel. Today I will cover the next topic of your chapter Resource and Development, which is called Soil Erosion. I hope you have watched my earlier videos in which I have told you about so many concepts about resource, their types and resource depletion, land resources, soil, the types of soil. This is almost the last topic of your chapter, which is soil erosion. Now let us understand what we mean by soil erosion. So the soil erosion means denudation of the soil cover and the subsequent washing down. So the definition of the soil erosion is that the denudation of the soil cover and the subsequent washing down is called soil erosion. Now the word denudation I have covered in the earlier video also, that the denudation is the withering away of the earth's surface by any action of water, ice, glacier or anything. So here अगर हम denudation को हटा के पूरी definition के बारे में सोचे, so the soil erosion is the weathering away of the soil cover and subsequent washing away or washing down. Now what is subsequent? Subsequent means later or after. So if we understand the definition like this, it will be more clear to you that the soil erosion is the withering away of the soil cover and the later or after washing down is called soil erosion. I think the definition of soil erosion is clear to you. Now the next thing that we have to understand in the concept of soil erosion is that how it occurs, how soil erosion occurs. अब क्या होता है, सॉइल में दो प्रोसेसेस होते हैं. एक प्रोसेस होता है सॉइल फॉर्मेशन और एक प्रोसेस होता है सॉइल इरोजन. जो सॉइल, जब सॉइल फॉर्म होती है उसी के साइमल्टेनियसली सॉइल इरोड होती है. मीनिंग कि सॉइल फॉर्मेशन एंड सॉइल इरोजन आर द टू प्रोसेसेस which work simultaneously. For example, किसी सॉइल को बहुत कम पानी चाहिए और वहाँ पर बारिश हो जाए या इरिगेशन कोई फॉल्ट हो जाए और उस सॉइल में बहुत ज़्यादा पानी भर जाए तो वो सॉइल इरोजन हो जाता है. So soil erosion and soil formation are the simultaneous process and they maintain a balance between them. And the balance between the soil formation and the soil erosion, whenever is disturbed, the soil erosion occurs. So if we try to understand कि what is soil erosion, तो सबसे पहले आप वो definition लिखोगे which we have discussed. The second thing which we will write is that कि soil formation and the soil erosion work simultaneously and maintain a balance between them. And when this balance is disturbed, soil erosion takes place. Now, how the balance between the soil formation and soil erosion is disturbed? It is disturbed by two factors. Factors for disturbing balance between soil formation and soil erosion are, क्या क्या फैक्टर्स होंगे जो सॉइल को इरोड करते हैं. सबसे पहला जो फैक्टर है वो है नेचुरल फैक्टर्स and the second factors which disturb the process of soil formation or disturb the balance between the soil formation and the soil erosion is the human factors. So both are these factors which disturb the balance between soil formation and the soil erosion, which leads to the soil erosion. Now, what are the natural factors? अगर हम natural factors की बात करें तो natural factors कौन कौन से होंगे? Natural factors कौन कौन से होंगे? Natural factors will be actions or movements of water, wind, glacier. So these are the natural factors whenever there is the action, movement of water, wind and glacier. The next factor which leads to the soil erosion or which disturbs the balance is the human factor. Now, what are human factors? There are many human factors which we have discussed in the earlier videos also. So only those factors will come in the human factors which leads to the soil erosion. Now, what are these factors? The first factor is the deforestation. In the earlier videos, I have told you the meaning of deforestation. That deforestation means when you permanently cut down the trees, when you shave the forest, when there is a permanent removal of the trees from forest. This is called deforestation. The second human factor which leads to the soil erosion is the mining. When you extract important minerals, important metals from the earth crust by digging it again and again by using heavy technologies on the land. The third factor which leads to the soil erosion is the construction. When you use the natural place, when you use the natural soil on which you construct any building, it leads to the soil erosion. The fourth thing which leads to the soil erosion is the overgrazing. जब हम cattle, buffalo को overgrazing कराते हैं. Now, what is overgrazing? It is the extensive or intensive grazing without giving the time for the of the replenish. मतलब कि आप इतना ज़्यादा ग्रेस करवा देते हो कि रिप्लेनिश जो उसका नेचुरल टाइम ऑफ रिप्लेनिश का है वो भी निकल जाता है. So these are the human factors for the soil erosion. I think till now the video is clear to you. Let's move to the next important part of the soil erosion. Now मैंने आपसे बोला कि there are two factors which leads to the soil erosion or which disturbs the balance between the two processes of soil formation and soil erosion is the natural and the human. In human factors, I have told you like over irrigation, overgrazing or mining, construction and deforestation. And in the natural factors, I have told you that there is water, wind, glacier. Now from these natural factors, there have been two types of the soil erosion. These two types of the soil erosion is the first is the water erosion or water soil erosion you can write, and the second is wind erosion or the wind soil erosion. So these two erosions have been come up from the natural factors, that is the water erosion and the wind erosion. Now under water erosion there are three subheadings, there are three subtypes of water erosion. सबसे पहला जो water erosion होता है वो होता है gullies. The second type of water erosion is the sheet erosion. The third type of water erosion is defective farming methods. जो थर्ड वाला है उसमें थोड़ा सा ह्यूमन फैक्टर भी आता है in the natural factor. So these are the three types of water erosion. Gullies, sheet erosion are purely natural water erosion. The defective farming methods is the human natural water erosion. So I try to complete these two today. So what are gullies? Gullies is caused by when the running water, when the fast moving water cuts through the clay soil. मतलब वो soil जो farming के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है, जब रनिंग वाटर वो क्ले सॉइल को काट देता है तो उसमें छोटे छोटे चैनल्स बनते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस चैनल? चैनल्स आर टाइप ऑफ द लैंडफॉर्म्स व्हिच आर नोन एज गलीज. अब ये गलीज क्या करती हैं? ये गलीज जो है उस लैंड को बैड लैंड बनाती है. व्हाट इज बैड लैंड? कि दैट लैंड इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर कल्टीवेशन नाउ, एंड that badland or that riverines are also known as riverines in Chambal. So आपके पेपर में ये एक important question आ सकता है, what is the another name of the badland and where it is located? So the other name of the badland is riverines and it is located in Chambal. So it is the gully. The next erosion is due to the sheet erosion. Now what is sheet erosion? The water flows like sheet over a large area and removes the topsoil from there. So sheet erosion is the slow process. मतलब water जो होता है वो आराम से आ रहा होता है, it is in the slow motion. But in the gully situation, the water is in the running form. The water is in the fast form. This last type of water erosion I will cover in the next video. So let's write about both of these and do the difficult meanings that come under this. I think the water erosion is clear to you. Let's start from the gullies. So, the first water soil erosion I have told you is about the gullies. Now, what is gullies? You can note down the definition or it is given in the book. So, gullies, when the running water cuts through, cuts मतलब पास नहीं, एकदम से मतलब किसी चीज पे स्क्रैच लगाना, cuts through the clay soil and forms channel is called and forms channel, and these channels are called गलीज. सो जो फास्ट रनिंग वाटर जो चैनल्स बनाता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? गलीज. सो व्हेन द रनिंग वाटर कट्स थ्रू द क्ले सॉइल एंड फॉर्म्स चैनल आर कॉल्ड गलीज. सो दीज चैनल्स आर कॉल्ड गलीज. अब ये गलीज क्या करती हैं? गलीज मेक दैट क्ले सॉइल और दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंड बैड लैंड. Now what is bad land? Bad land is the land which is not suitable for growing crops or doing the cultivation, and these bad lands are also known as ravines in Chambal. Okay, so the difficult words which we came across in gullies is that सबसे पहला bad land, कि ये जो गलीज हैं, जो ये चैनल्स हैं, ये बैड लैंड में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर सॉइल को, and that bad land is also known as ravines in Chambal. And what does bad land mean and what does riverine mean? It means that the land is not suitable for cultivation. Okay, so this is the water soil erosion, that it makes the soil incapable for cultivation, converting it to bad land or riverine. Now the next thing which I have told you, channels, कि इसमें एक word है channels. What we mean by channel? Channel are the type of the landforms or the land surfaces. Okay, so we can say that कि the fast running water cuts through the clay soil, making it as a land surface which is not suitable for growing crops, and that land is known as bad land, and those channels which are created by the running water is known as gullies. So I think the gullies water soil erosion is clear to you. The next type of water erosion that I have to discuss today is the sheet erosion. Now what is sheet erosion? Sheet erosion is water flows as a sheet. sheet क्या होती है? प्लेन पेपर. large area washing away topsoil down the slope. So this is the sheet erosion. When the water flows like a sheet over land, so it is called sheet erosion. अब इससे क्या होता है? Water flows as a sheet over a large area, washing away topsoil. What is topsoil? Topsoil is the outer layer of the soil, which is important for the soil to get mature further. And what is the slope? Slope is the up and down surface or area. Okay, it is like a U shape, like this is slope. So I think the sheet erosion and the gullies are clear to you. Now the next type of water soil erosion, which is due to the defective methods of farming, in which I will discuss flowing, and there is also a small topic about the wind erosion, and after that there is a methods to control the soil erosion. All this I will cover in the next video. So I think today's video is clear to you. Please like, share and comment on my videos, and please share my videos ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, so that I can make more knowledgeable video, because I will get motivated. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.